نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. First of all, thanks for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself. In front of you, dear audience, I am Salman Sheikh. My father's name is Imran Sheikh. I am to belong to West Bengal in district Purba Bardhaman. My father is an imam and he looks after his self-work. And my mother is a housewife. We are 3 members in my family, including me. I love my family and they also. My village name is Sakhara. I am 23 years old. I am studying in Madrasa, which name Markazul Ulum. My hobby is studying Islamic books and note important memories in my personal diary. My short-term goal is to complete Alim course very carefully, and my long-term goal is to become an honest Islamic scholar. I ready to tolerate any kinds of hardship for achieve my target. That's all about me, and thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.